Let's divide 408 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start dividing 408 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, which is 4. We're going to use the 4 from 408. No need to bring down any new friends just yet. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits exactly 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Woohoo, we did it. You're doing awesome. We've finished with the first digit. Now, let's move on to the next digit in our dividend. Next up is the digit 0. Let's see what we can do with it. We bring down the 0 right next to our remainder. Now we have 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Easy peasy. Subtracting 0 from 0 leaves us with 0. Still no remainder. You're doing so great. Keep that amazing energy going. We're almost there, just one more digit to go. Let's tackle it together. Last but not least, we have the digit 8. Let's finish strong. We bring down the 8 next to our current remainder. Now we have 8. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It fits exactly 4 times. Let's check. 4 times 2 equals 8. We're spot on. Subtracting 8 from 8 gives us 0. Our remainder is 0. You absolutely crushed it. Give yourself a big clap. And that's it. We've divided all the digits. We're all done. So 408 divided by 2 is 204. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 408 by 2, step by step. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. Keep practicing, and you'll become a division whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye.